I'm sorry.
Okay.
Get in no more trouble. I just did.
Mr. Scott, every time you come here, you plead with me, let me out. I usually say no. Then finally I let you out. And what do?
Court does call the case of the people versus Barrage Scott.
Scott, Mr. Scott, please state your name for the record.
All right.
What are we doing?
Thank you, Judge. We were here a couple weeks ago on these two cases. Mr. Scott has a bond violation, which is why he is back incarcerated for allegedly going to a no-go-to area on conditions. Obviously, I met with him in jail. He understands he's put himself in another bad position. He doesn't have a great excuse for it. He doesn't have a great excuse for it. He acknowledges that he messed up in this matter. He's asking the court to let him out again.
To do what?
To let him out again. He is saying that he has applied for Social Security, and if he is not out, he will lose his ability to get that Social Security as well as his disability. And he has a healthcare situation where he needs to get a shot that his insurance has to pay for, that he won't be able to go out and get if he's incarcerated, Your Honor. So he's asking you to consider releasing him back on a personal bond. But what I'm hoping to have done with the case, Your Honor, is just to adjourn the PCC for a couple of weeks so that we can see if we get something resolved on it.
No objection to the adjournment. Probable cause conference, March 28th, 2024, 9 a.m. People's position on bond.
Misunderstanding. But his violation is not just going back to the area he was ordered to not go back to. It's that he gets there, he decides to assault four police officers. That's the violation. So he was arraigned, I apologize, we'll get these pictures. He was arraigned on February 13th on an RNO and a trespass from Village Grove. He was told not to commit any additional crimes, no assaultive behavior, and no. He's not supposed to go.
No, look at me, Barrage.
You're telling me that's wrong.
No.
So now we're here on these two cases. In addition to that, so Mr. Easter's done a fantastic job where he does files, well, he does all his files. He has tried to negotiate.
Except the dog one.
Except the dog one.
Wait, go ahead.
He has tried to negotiate this case with me. I've explained to him that I do not intend to make Mr. Mr. Monte Scott any offers. He just finished a jail sentence in the fall for RNO.
I know.
This is a person that was sentenced to Washington County Jail for RNO, gets out, gets 2 new RNO cases. Your Honor, his bond actually is low, but I wasn't the one making the request. $5,000 is low for what he's done, but I'm asking Your Honor not to grant a PR bond to the bond as is if you're not inclined to increase it.
Only thing I'll say, Judge, is that Mr. Scott was under the impression that his violation was for the trespass. Now he's heard Ms. Hughes' understanding about the RNO.
He does this every time.
Yes, Judge.
Yeah, no, what are you gonna say?
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Get in no more trouble. I just did.
Mr. Scott, every time you come here, you plead with me, let me out. I usually say no. Then finally I let you out. And what do? You go right. This is not I realize that you've not been convicted of anything, but I will say this. This is not the first time that you've been someplace, something happens, you're not supposed to go back, tell you not to go back, and what happens? You go back and you either come back before me on a bond violation or you come back with a new case because of what you did when you got there. And by the way, other problem that happens is that when you go back to these places, naturally, the police get called. And then you start having issues with them. And
I won't have no issues. I promise you, look, I promise this time, because I just did a year, I won't have no issues if you let me out. I'll do the right thing and I won't go back. Just one chance, because
one chance,
I mean, just this.
just
One more.
One more chance, please, Your Honor, and I promise I won't go back. Just give me this chance and I'll do everything right. I'm trying to start fresh. Fresh. I just want one chance from you and
you know what, Mr. Scott?
one more chance.
No. And today, I'm going to tell you no.
Please, Your Honor. Please, because my grandma's birthday is on the 24th and I really want to.
I know. And you
And I don't want to be in jail. I can't. I will do just give me this chance. I promise you, if I go back, I deserve to be locked up, but I won't go back. I won't go back.
Mr. Scott,
I just want
Mr.
one
Scott.
chance, please.
Mr. Scott,
I want to be in jail.
I know you don't want to be in jail, but you got to listen to what we're telling you.
Okay.
You remember I even put you on a tether. And
I
you
do
couldn't-
that.
I know, but that didn't work either.
I'll do that.
Mr. Scott,
I'll do whatever you want me to do, and I promise you, this time I won't mess up. I won't mess up, Your Honor. Please, just trust in me.
you want me to go get the last 3 recordings when
No.
you told me that?
No,
No?
no,
Because you told me the same thing.
No, but I'm telling you the truth. If I deserve a chance this time because I just did a year. Just give me a chance for this time, and I will do everything right. I won't go back to Village Grove. I won't catch nothing. And I promise you, this time it's gonna be the last time I ask. It's a new year.
Oh, last time this year.
No, the last time I asked for anything. And if I don't follow your rules, I deserve to be locked up. I just want a chance to be back in the community, be with my family. Because if it's gonna be hard, my Social Security been cut off for a whole year. I haven't even got my check yet and then I gotta get my shot on Monday. If I don't, they can't give me my shot in here because it's a $10,000 shot. But I do need my shots. I have to go to CMH. I'm starting my new job next week. At the CMH building. Just give me this chance so I can do all this stuff. And if I promise you, this will be the last time I promise you anything.
Is this Groundhog Day? Because this is the same thing I hear.
But I'm telling you.
How many times have you told me this?
All right.
This
Let's
is
make
like
a deal.
the 4th time.
Let's make a deal.
Oh, wow. Okay, so we're gonna start negotiating.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Okay.
All right. So if
You realize this isn't a fair negotiation.
because you're the judge and I'm not.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
but-
Okay. As long as we understand that, go ahead.
All right. This would be a bigger deal. If I get any more trouble, you can lock me up for a whole nother year. I just don't want to get in no more trouble.
I know, Mr. Scott.
I don't want to get. Listen, I don't
You
want
don't
to get
wanna
in no
do
more
that.
trouble, Your Honor.
I know you don't want to. You can't help
Well,
it.
I can't help it, but I do need my shots. And if I don't get my shot, I can go to the mental hospital or anything. I don't want to.
Well,
Can you
the
give me
Washington County Sheriff's Office will
Well,
make
this is
sure
the last
you
chance
get
I
your
have.
shot.
No, they can't. It's $10,000. They can't pay for it because my insurance can't. My insurance can pay for it on the outs. And I'm getting my job back. Please let me go back home. I don't care if you put me on tether. I don't care if you put me on house confinement. I will do the right thing from now on. I won't get in the
Both of those we tried.
Can we
They
try
didn't
one more
work.
time?
No, not today.
Well, can we try to let me out this time and then?
Not today.
But Mr. Simpson, if you don't let me out, I won't be able to shoot. I won't be able to show you my I won't be able to show you my honest thing, man. Just, Mr. Simpson, please just give me one
Mr.
chance.
Scott,
I don't want to be locked up.
Mr. Scott, I know you
I
don't.
don't want to be locked up, man. Every
But-
time
but
I get
Mr.
locked up, somebody put their hands on me or do something to me in there.
Okay, Mr. Scott.
Yes,
listen to
sir.
me. We go through this every time.
But it's a new year.
And what?
It's a new year. Just,
Listen to him.
I'm gonna listen to him. I'm just getting emotional. I'm sad right now.
I know. And all I'm gonna tell you is, I won't say it won't happen ever, but not today.
Well, what am I supposed to do? I
Just
can't.
sit tight. Just sit tight.
If you give me this chance, Your Honor, I promise you, listen, I promise you, I do the right thing.
Say no.
I do the right thing from now on. Just one chance, Your Honor. You saying no, but in your heart, I know you really wanna give me a chance in your heart. Just give me a chance this time. I
I
promise.
appreciate you acknowledging that I have a heart.
I know you got a heart, but can you please just, Simpson, please just give me a chance this one time.
Okay. You can go to.
No,
Well, can I
Not-
have a lower bond?
not today, Mr. Scott.
Well, my grandma's birthday is on the 24th.
Today.
My brother's birthday on the 23rd, my sister's birthday on the 22nd.
You can go to deputies.
What am I supposed to do? I mean, I don't want to just sit in jail and rot.
You gotta sit tight, Mr. Scott. You can close the
My
file.
intention is not to have you rot in jail, but I'm not letting you out today.
So I'm not getting out no more.
Go to deputies.
Not today,
So when do I come back to court?
the 28th.
And then what?
We'll try.
I don't know.
You say that all the time. You don't know.
Whoa,
No,
really?
I'm not saying you.
Seriously?
No, I'm not
I think
like
you
that.
need to stop about now.
No, I'm saying like.
I think you need, Mr. Scott, you need to stop about now.
I'm sorry. I apologize. I don't want you. I mean, I don't want you to say that all the time. That's what I meant.
Okay,
That's what I meant.
I know.
But what? Well,
Okay, all right, go to deputies.
am I gonna get out ever? That's all.
Oh, eventually, yeah. Because we'll run out of time.
Huh?
Nothing.
Go.
All right, thank you.
All right, gotta go now. Gotta go now. Come on. You gotta do it, bro. No, you did it. You're wrong. Let's go to deputies.
I wish.
All right. Come on.
We'll see what happens on 28. You're in
Then
custody.
you do it.
What did I tell you?
Okay, then you're in custody, and then just wait.
What did I tell you?
Oh,
Yeah.
so, got it.
It's all crap.
I didn't want to let you know. All right.
Court recalls, okay. Garage, cooperate, don't mess up, because you do something here, then we're gonna have a problem. Okay.
Don't know why.
Why seriously? I don't know why you let that happen, Feaster. Court call the case.